Oh, that's tattoo. Yeah, that's gonna stand out. Get that tattoo again. We got it. We got that tattoo.
He sounds stupid. Got that license plate.
Yeah. Hey, don't be filming people's plates either, yo. You can't be doing that. Victor's filming them right now too.
I got him.
Y'all taking pictures of people's plates. Y'all, why y'all taking pictures? Hold up though.
I got him right here.
Y'all need to step off. Y'all can't be filming people's plates and shit. Get the fuck out of here.
This is the man in today's society, guys.
So what's the point? And y'all, are y'all looking for drama? What's the point of y'all filming us right now?
The face of terror.
All right. Yeah, I just want to let you know that nothing. I think they're just trying to like cause drama.
I got him.
I don't know. There's no point. One guy's over here saying this is society. This is the man right here. Big is filming that. All right. Yeah, and they're trying to catch our and they caught our plates too. All right, y'all give them a call right now. All right. About what? Shame that y'all are filming us. That's what the shame is. What is that even like? Where y'all even coming from with this? What do we do? Are we about to be like Instagram famous right now?
Only in California.
I don't think those shoes fit.
Only in California. You can't do that in Detroit, where I'm from.
So what's the point of it?
Y'all won't be doing this in Detroit. Only in California.
We're doing it in California. If you're from Detroit, what do Detroit people do?
You can stand here and film people.
Hell yeah.
Y'all would be lit up.
You like suppressing people's freedom?
Don't feed it.
Hasn't your freedom been suppressed enough, man?
See, this is very,
Haven't you and your forefathers'
very
freedom been suppressed, man? Now you're trying to suppress my civil rights?
this
Come on,
is
man.
very disrespectful.
This is not
You
disrespectful.
don't be doing this to people.
It's
man.
media, man. You go and yell at media every time you see them recording?
No reason. Don't say nothing to film with people.
Yes, I like your report.
Oh, now he's a cop caller. Big guy's a cop caller now.
We had like 3 people outside of my right now.
Big guy's a cop caller.
Yeah, man, you can't be doing this in Detroit.
The big, the bad, and the ugly. Big cop caller.
Detroit,
Well, how come you didn't bring Detroit with you?
I didn't have to.
Yeah, because you're in California, man. You go by our rules out here, man. Stop crying about the Detroit stuff, man. You in California right now, man. Ain't no reason to call out Detroit, man.
Y'all don't have no respect.
This is what they trying to get it right.
We weren't saying nothing. You guys tried it, not us.
When
You-
y'all walk
you
up
guys
on
are writing
cameras,
yourself,
filming,
man.
Taking pictures, like what do you
You guys
expect
did
people?
it.
What do
You
y'all
did it.
expect like humans people to do when y'all just?
Oh, humans, because there's others.
Others, so what's the point of doing it?
What else is there besides humans, man?
What do we do for y'all to come out here?
You should be a little bit more educated, man, and know that we have rights out here. Bottom line.
Y'all are the fools that are just trying to do some like bullshit.
Read your beanie.
Look, man, you look all big, bad, and ugly, but you're on the phone with the cops.
Educate by using your words. Just don't walk up and put cameras in people's faces. How's that educating people?
Why are you still on the phone with the cops, man?
Because y'all here filming a private company.
Which is what
getting
crime?
plates,
Which is what
filming
crime,
us
man?
For what?
What crime is it? When the cops run your plates, are you going to tell them, don't look at my plates?
Are y'all cops?
yourself.
I'm asking you a question.
I'm asking
It's
you
a
a
simple
question.
question.
Run your plate.
If you're cops, you need to address yourself as officers, right?
Why
That's
you
education.
transcribing it for?
If someone asks you to be a police officer, you need to address yourself as a police officer. If you're not a
We
police
never
officer,
said
you
we're
gotta
police
just keep trying
officers,
to cause
man.
drama.
I'm just saying, when somebody runs your plates, whether it be a police officer or a camera, are you gonna tell him to erase the video?
No, I'm gonna ask why y'all up here filming for no reason.
Man.
Why y'all just walking up with cameras filming for no
They're
reason?
lonely, man. Nothing else.
Where do you guys live, guys?
Where's your education purpose?
Where do you guys live?
Hey, you forgot to take the tag off of your hat, man.
No,
Where's the education purpose in
This
this?
is America, man.
It is America. So as Americans, let's have an American conversation.
Well, let's
and answer some
stop.
questions.
Let's stop suppressing each other's freedoms. Let's hang up the phone. Let's hang up the phone.
Come on, man.
Get off the phone with the pigs, and if you
know
want to
what?
talk, let's
I
talk.
wouldn't have had to call the cops if you guys would have just answered some simple questions.
You just became a cop caller, man.
I did. Y'all became some creepers who are rolling up filming.
Creepers.
taking pictures of people's street. Like,
Hey, how many
what
protests
are
have you
y'all?
gone to against
You
cops?
point fingers. There's 4 fingers pointing back at you. You understand what I'm saying? You guys are over here trying to
What
like talk
about
about educate and all that, and then you're over here being the most ignorant people. Or, like
What's
that
ignorant?
The media is looking at.
What has been ignorant that we've done?
Putting cameras in our faces.
That's not
filming
ignorance,
for no
man.
reason,
That's not
answering
ignorance.
any questions and saying that we need to be
You don't even know the
educated.
definition of
That's
ignorance,
ignorant.
man.
That is very ignorant.
That's not ignorant at all.
Hey, why do they always say that for? Cameras and faces.
This guy came and shoved the camera in our face. If anybody, you should be calling the cops on him.
Cause and effect. Cause and effect. You guys put cameras in our face. What do
Because
you
we're
think
standing
society
here with a
is gonna do?
camera, it causes
Take a
you to
picture
cry
of
about
a
it?
license plate?
I don't
What do you
think so, man.
What do you think someone else is going to do? They're
Come
gonna
on,
put
man,
cameras
grow
right
up.
back in your face.
Grow up, man.
You guys
Grow up.
talk about education. Y'all ain't educated yourselves. You
We're
guys
in
are full of
America,
cameras.
man. We're in
Welcome to
America.
America.
You
You're
need to
right.
know not to suppress
Land of the
people's
brave,
civil
land of the
rights.
free. What else? Can you do the Constitution?
You don't even know what you're talking about,
I know
man.
what I'm talking about.
Is he really on the phone with the cop?
Yeah, they put him on hold because it's not even important.
That's a mama's boy right there.
They don't even care about. They don't even care about cameras, man.
You have no doubt in your life, do you? I guarantee you, not acting that way.
That's all they try to do.
It's for a
telling
fact.
him lies
Just
for it.
like your mama.
Don't lie to him.
That's what your mama would do.
How you gonna bring his mother into it?
Hey,
Something about my mother, man. You ought to be doing it right now.
Uh-oh.
You be doing it right now.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Right now.
The big, the bad, and the ugly. Look at this. We were right.
We
Say
found
something about my mother. I dare you. I dare you.
Uh-oh. Oh, hold it back. Hold it back.
Get down.
Oh, shit.
We're gonna get down.
Oh, we're going to get down.
we're gonna go up and down.
Ah.
All you want.
Ah.
Down,
Look
left,
at him.
right.
Say something about my mother.
Oh,
I dare you.
that sounds like a bunch of crybaby bullshit right there, man.
Your mama. Your mama. Come on. You double dare?
Yeah.
Double dog dare.
Yeah, go back to Detroit, man. Go back to Detroit.
Come on, Detroit.
You can't handle
Go back to
California,
Detroit.
bro.
Come on, Detroit.
Damn.
California's too free for you.
We're in California. We don't act like animals in California, man. We don't act like animals, man. You in California.
Come get some of this.
Uh-oh.
Come get some of this.
All right, let's mob out.
Yeah, mob out. Time to move.
Look at Rocky right here.
I told you this spot was going to be crazy.
Philadelphia, that's where Rocky
I told you, man.
Guys,
Hey, cruelty free. Come on, man.
Come on, man. Let's go, man.
Come on, man.
Let's mob out.
guys.
Mob out.
Beta males.
Bye.
Mob out back to Detroit.
Bye. You got time, you're off.
These some chumps, man.
You're off.
Chumps.
Y'all ain't real.
You let Pillsbury Doughboy hold you back?
Y'all chumps.
Come on, man.
Y'all
Come on. You let the cop collar hold you back?
I ain't got time for y'all, man.
We don't got time for you. Get back in your car and kick it, man.
Man gonna hold you
Let's
back.
go,
You didn't
man.
want to fight. You just
Y'all
all
done,
talk.
man.
Also, man.
All talk.
Detroit in the house. Man, people of Detroit aren't going to appreciate this
What
one.
Detroit's all about. You showed them what Detroit's all about.
You showed them what Detroit's all about, man. People are not going to like it. Dang.
This guy didn't represent you guys good, guys. This guy right here failed to represent Detroit. Yeah. Now all they can do is laugh because they feel like dummies.
Daddy issues.
This fucking fool.
say something else.
Say something.
Traffic, DeSoto and Ventura, DeSoto and Ventura, code 3 incident 2528 or 2187.
Surprise, man! On your right!